Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Good day to all of you. So today's recipe is a unique one. We all love paneer bhurji, egg bhurji, but have you ever tasted Karele ki bhurji? Bhurji made with bitter gourds? Yes, it's really very delicious. I'm sure all the Karela fans are going to love this recipe. As we all know, Karelas are very good for health, especially for diabetics, and they have a lot of health benefits, other benefits too. They are good for skin, they are good for hair, so they must be included in the diet. So let's make this unique Karele ki bhurji today. Let's get started. Here we have taken 4 to 5 Karelas or as needed. 6 small onions. If they are larger, take 4. 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Some salt to taste. 1 tomato. 2 green chillies. You can add more if you like. 1 small piece of ginger. 1 pod of garlic. 4 to 5 tablespoons of yogurt. We are going to marinate the Karelas with them. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon each of coriander and cumin powders. You have the ingredients list in the description box also, you can check it out. Now we are going to use these Karelas with the skin. It's very important to clean them well, so take a scrubber like this and scrub them well because the skin is uneven and it has a lot of dirt collected in between. After washing them well, cut them into small pieces like this with the skin. Add little salt and yogurt, 4 to 5 tablespoons. Mix them well. This removes the bitterness of the Karelas to some extent. Set it aside at least for 4 to 5 hours or better overnight. I always do it overnight. Cover it and put it in the refrigerator. Now when you are ready to cook, heat the oil in the pan. Once it is hot, dip in the marinated Karelas or bitter gourds. We are going to fry them. As it will be done on medium flame, this much of oil is sufficient. You don't have to deep fry them in too much oil. From time to time, keep stirring and place the lid so that they get cooked faster. It will start changing the color, and once they become golden brown, we will remove them from the pan. Karela is one of the healthiest vegetables in the food kingdom, and we should include it in our diets as it is low in calories and rich in vitamin A and C. It's a well-known fact that Karelas are good for diabetic people. Apart from that, they also glow our skin and hair. So many properties, so we should consume this vegetable, which is of course little bitter, but it's good. If you develop a taste for it, it's good. Now the Karelas are done. It took about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove them into a plate. They should be 3/4 done, because remaining it will be done with the onion. They'll be simmered and cooked with along with the spices and onions. Here we go. This is done. Now set them aside, and in the same oil saute the ginger and garlic. Now add the onion, finely chopped onion, or dice it in the chopper. If you don't have a chopper, you can even grate it and use. Place the lid and intermittently keep mixing it with the spatula until it is translucent. Now add the tomato, and always add little salt on top of the tomato. It cooks very well and faster. Becomes soft easily. Give it a mix and cover the lid. We'll allow it to cook for half a minute or so. Now you can see the tomatoes are soft. At this stage, add the green chillies, followed by the spice powders: turmeric, red chilli powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. Mix them together. Now dip in the fried Karelas or bitter gourds. Give it a mix, and we are going to simmer this together. Allow it to cook little more. Now the cooking will be done on low flame because we are not adding any water to this. It will simmer in its own juices. On low flame, leave it for about a minute or minute and a half. In between, you can open and check it out. Also taste little for the doneness and the salt. Add if salt is required or any other spices. Finally, add coriander leaves. This pairs very well with rotis and fulkas. So dish it out and enjoy. I hope you will like this Karela preparation. There are lots of recipes we can make with Karela, even the peels. I'll be posting them soon. You can make even dessert with Karela. I have tried out a halwa. Sounds interesting, isn't it? You shall be seeing it in the upcoming videos soon. So friends, stay tuned for the next recipe. Enjoy this meanwhile and take good care of yourself. Bye until next. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye until then. Have a nice day.